TCS, Tata Consultancy Service, just reported a $2.6 billion AI revenue run rate, and here's why IT stocks rallied to it. Good day, everyone. Welcome to the video of the day. One earnings report just lifted an entire sector. TCS reported its result, and Nifty IT jumped nearly 2%. Infosys, Tech Mahindra, HCL Tech all rallied on the back of one company's number. Here's what the TCS actually reported and why the whole sector cared for it. Let's start it. Tata Consultancy Service reported its Q1 FY27 results on July 9 for the quarter ending June 30, 2026. Net profit rose 5% year on year to 13,350 crore, up from 12,760 crore a year earlier. Revenue in dollar terms came in at $7,600 million, up 2.7% year on year through nearly flat quarter on quarter, and operating margin held at 24% with net margin at 19.2%. On the surface, that's steady, not explosive. So why did the market react very strongly? And the real story is in two other numbers. Let's start it. So two other numbers that moved the market. First is TCS reported a total order book of $9.5 billion for the quarter, including an $800 million AI-led transformation deal with SKF, the company's sixth mega deal win in the last 5 quarters. That's a strong forward-looking signal. Other books show future that revenue and not just what already happened. Second is the bigger story. TCS announced AI service revenue crossed up to $2.6 billion to 13.6 quarter and quarter growth. That means that AI related work is no longer a side project for TCS. It's a fast growing multi-billion dollar business line on its own. Even the CEO, K. Kritvasan, specifically credited AI, modernization, cybersecurity, and sovereign cloud demand as the areas where client spending is accelerating a huge, even while he acknowledged geopolitical and the macroeconomic headwinds in the border environment. Now, why the whole sector rallied to it? Let's go deep into it. And here's why this moved more than just the TCS stock. So, as India's largest IT service company, TCS results function as an early signal for the entire sector's earnings season. When TCS shows accelerating AI revenue and a strong order book, despite global uncertainty, it tells that investors that enterprise clients are still spending are just redirecting that spending toward AI and modernization projects. That's exactly where the play came out. Nifty IT rose 2%, the best performing major index that day. Tech Mahindra, Infosys, and HCL all rallied alongside TCS and Gensa Tech, a smaller IT service player, jumped nearly 9% on the same optimism. Now, what does it mean for the investors? A single company's earning can move an entire sector when that company is large enough to act as a bellwether. TCS results are open, treated as an early read on how the rest of India's IT sector will perform this earning season. If you hold IT sector funds or individual IT stocks, the number to watch going forward isn't just revenue growth, it's the company's AI specific revenue run rate that's becoming the metric investors are using to judge it. To conclude, one earnings report, a $9.5 billion order book, a 2.6 billion AI business growing very fast. That's enough to move an entire sector. So, to conclude, to end it, make sure to subscribe the channel, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, family, and colleagues too. Welcome to Money Brief. Let's grow together.